All right, property owners, it's time to roll up our sleeves and tackle the February maintenance checklist to keep our properties in top-notch condition. First things first, let's start with the exterior. Check your gutters and downspouts for any debris or blockages caused by winter storms. Clear them out to prevent water damage to your property's foundation. Next up, inspect your roof for any missing shingles or signs of damage. Addressing these issues now can prevent costly leaks and repairs down the line. Now let's move indoors. Test your smoke detectors and carbon monoxide detectors to ensure they're in working order. Replace batteries if needed and consider installing new units if yours are outdated. Don't forget about your HVAC system. Change the air filters to keep the air in your property clean and improve energy efficiency. Schedule a professional inspection and maintenance service to ensure everything is running smoothly. Inspect your plumbing for any leaks or drips, especially in areas prone to freezing temperatures. Check your pipes, faucets, and water heater for any signs of damage and address them promptly. You can also take a walk around your property to check for any signs of wear and tear. This could include peeling paint, cracked sidewalks, or loose handrails. Addressing these issues now can prevent larger problems in the future. By staying ahead of maintenance tasks, you can protect your investment and provide a safe and comfortable living environment for your tenants. Are you a property owner looking to sell quickly and hassle-free? Whether you're facing maintenance challenges or simply ready for a change, we're here to help. Contact us today to learn more about our hassle-free home buying process. Let's talk about winter weather preparation. Stock up on ice melt and snow removal tools to keep walkways and driveways clear of snow and ice. This not only helps prevent accidents, but also shows your tenants that you prioritize their safety. Consider scheduling a professional inspection of your property's insulation. Proper insulation can help lower heating costs and keep your tenants comfortable during the colder months. Now let's address indoor air quality. Consider investing in a humidifier to combat dry winter air, which can cause discomfort and exacerbate respiratory issues. Additionally, encourage your tenants to keep windows closed to prevent drafts and conserve energy. Take this opportunity to review your lease agreements and ensure they include provisions for winter maintenance responsibilities. Clearly outline who is responsible for tasks like snow removal and HVAC maintenance to avoid misunderstandings. Finally, don't overlook the importance of communication. Keep open lines of communication with your tenants and encourage them to report any maintenance issues promptly. Addressing concerns promptly can prevent small problems from turning into major headaches. By staying proactive and following this February maintenance checklist, you can ensure your property remains in excellent condition year-round. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tips on property ownership and management. Are you considering selling your property? Whether you're ready to upgrade your investment portfolio or looking to move on from property ownership, we're here to help. Contact us today to learn more about our hassle-free home buying process.